Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain to you about spherical coordinate question. Now, as you can see from the question, we are asked to use spherical coordinate to calculate volume of sphere of radius A. So first I need to sketch the sphere, so please wait a moment.
So this is the whole sphere in 3D. So here I'm going to show you where the radius will be. Actually, the radius is the distance between the point here, the origin, to the sphere. And we can assume this radius as a rho, and it also can be placed here and here. So what I'm trying to say in the sketch is actually the radius is not involved in any of the octants. So you can place it anywhere you want. So to calculate the volume of sphere, we can just refer to the first octant. So this is the sketch of the first octant. As you can see, there's a angle here, P. The angle is actually on the xy plane, is the distance from x positive to positive y axis, sorry. And then there's the theta. The theta is actually from the positive z axis to the radius. So from this sketch we can make the limit. For the rho, we know that the limit is from the origin 0 and to A, because this question wanted us to make the radius as A. And then we have the P. It's also from 0, from the positive x-axis, to P over 2, because it's from positive x-axis to positive y-axis. And then we have theta. It's from 0 to phi over 2, because actually it's from the positive z-axis to the radius here. Now we have the limit, then we can make the integration. Here's a rho square sin theta, sorry, sin phi d rho d phi d theta. Now actually this formula is from the spherical coordinate itself, so you need to remember this. So for the rho, the limit is from 0 to A, so we put 0, A. And also phi is 0 to phi over 2. And the theta is 0 to phi over 2. Now I'm going to put 8 here, because actually we're referring to the first octant, right? So the first octant is actually just the 1/8 of the whole sphere. So if you want to calculate the whole sphere, you need to put 8 here. So I'm going to integrate this part, referring to the rho. So it's going to be 1/3 rho to the rho cubic sin phi. The limit is 0, A 0 d phi d theta. Now I'm going to put A here and 0 here. Sorry, the 8 now. So it'll be 1/3 A to the power of 3 sin phi minus 0. Because when the limit is 0 here, it'll be 0. And then we're going to integrate this equation referring to the phi. One over 3, A to the power of 3. So sin phi integration is minus cos phi. The limit is phi over 2, 0. D theta. and then we're going to put the limits to the phi. Since minus cos phi over 2 is 0, so we put 0 here. And then minus 1 over 3, 8 over 3. And when the limit is 0, cos phi will be minus 1. So put minus 1 here. Theta. So the whole equation will be 1 over 3 a to the power of 3 d theta. And then we're going to integrate by referring to theta. And then by putting the limits into the theta, we'll get 1 over 3 a to the power of 3 phi over 2 minus 1 over 3 a to the power of 3 0. And this is automatically will be 0. Then we'll get this, which is 8 phi over 6 a to the power of 3. It will be 8 over 6, and then phi over 3. This is the result of the calculation above. Phi over 3, phi a to the power of 3.